Last week, aerospace giant Boeing was officially selected to build the U.S. Air Force's future sixth-generation fighter, the F-47, marking a major milestone as the cutting-edge aircraft is now cleared for takeoff. The advanced fighter will be the central system of systems of the next-generation air dominance program, which will eventually replace the aging Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. Boeing will continue rolling out its upgraded F-15EX Eagle II, with the first jet from Lot 2 production now completed. This aircraft marks the third F-15EX set to join the 142nd Wing of the Oregon Air National Guard, following its successful maiden flight earlier this month. The F-15EX are ready for action. 8 F-15EX Eagle II had been manufactured for the initial Lot 1A and 1B deliveries, which were completed last summer. According to a report published earlier this month by international defense analysis firm Janes, the first 6 F-15EX aircraft were sent to Eglin Air Force Base in Florida for developmental testing, while 2 were delivered to their first operational unit, the 142nd Wing of the Oregon Air National Guard in Portland. Is the F-15EX ready for the job? Boeing has touted the F-15EX, an upgraded version of the venerable F-15 Eagle that entered service in the 1970s, as ideally suited for the 21st century United States Air Force. Boeing emphasized that the F-15EX integrates cutting-edge technologies while preserving its industry-leading range, payload capacity, and speed. The redesign, the company explained, is tailored to meet the demands of modern, contested battlefields where threats are rapidly evolving. They also noted that the Eagle II offers a practical growth path to align with future collaborative combat aircraft, enabling enhanced command and control across the battle space. Though lacking in stealth and other fifth-generation capabilities, the two-seat F-15EX does provide advanced capabilities unique to the U.S. Air Force. That includes new fly-by-wire flight controls, improved weapons stations, an enhanced electronic warfare suite, advanced radar and computer, conformal fuel tanks, and a strengthened airframe. The F-15EX Eagle II also features a deep magazine that allows it to carry advanced weapons, with a 28% larger payload than the older F-15E. Aircraft will be ready after some minimal training. At the same time, the Eagle II requires only minimal transitional training and little additional workforce from the older versions of the F-15. Moreover, the Eagle II could be employed to escort high-value assets and serve in an air superiority role to counter missile threats while still being able to conduct air-to-ground precision strikes. The F-15EX is operationally effective in all its air superiority roles, including defensive and offensive counter-air against surrogate fifth-generation adversary aircraft and basic air-to-ground capability against the tested threats. The F-15EX was able to detect and track all threats at advantageous ranges, use onboard and off-board systems to identify them, and deliver weapons while surviving. The Directorate of Operational Test and Evaluation wrote in its 2024 annual report, the F-15EX boasts a notably higher mission-capable rate than both the F-35 and the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The Eagle II recorded an impressive 83.13% mission-capable rate, outperforming the F-35 Lightning II's overall rate of 67.15% across all variants. F-15EX Eagle II will likely complement the fifth generation's F-35 and could still be flying and have a role to fill even as the 6th-gen F-47 enters service. Air superiority with firepower. With the ability to carry more weapons than any fighter in the U.S. arsenal, the F-15EX is a missile truck that can provide overwhelming force. Perfect for controlling airspace, escorting high-value assets, or saturating the skies in high-intensity conflict zones. With a mission-capable rate of over 83%, the F-15EX outperforms both the F-35 and F-22 in terms of readiness. Its low maintenance burden and existing infrastructure compatibility mean it can be deployed quickly and affordably by the United States and allies. The F-15EX can carry standoff weapons, act as a battle manager, or escort stealth aircraft, freeing up F-35s for stealth-heavy missions. Built for the long haul. With an airframe lifespan of 20,000 flight hours, the F-15EX will likely remain active well into the 2040s and beyond. Its open architecture design makes it easy to upgrade as tech evolves. Global appeal and strategic relevance. Many U.S. allies and partners either operate legacy F-15s or need a cost-effective, high-performance fighter. This gives the F-15EX long-term export potential, helping shape air power in key regions like the Middle East, Asia-Pacific, and Eastern Europe.